Selin sayang, I want to share you about the Bible, okay? Today is the Sabbath day, so I'm not doing any work and I'm resting. So now I want to share you with the Bible truth, okay? Selin sayang. Okay, this topic is about law, okay? Law, yeah, the law and the consequences of breaking law. Actually, why the great I am, your Abba and my Abba, Ehyeh and Yeshua gave the Bible to human, okay? The Bible is for everyone. Doesn't matter whatever nationality or races or from whatever lands. The Bible is purposely for every single person in this world. But the problem is, Selin sayang, almost all the people in this earth do not want to accept the Bible. So, okay, everything is about law. Okay, so I want to take one precious words here. Okay, in Genesis chapter 2, verse 16, and the great I am said, he commanded the man, saying, of every tree of the garden you may eat freely, but of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil you shall not eat, for in the day that you eat of it, you surely die. Okay, Selin sayang. So, okay, this is one of the commandment. Okay, now the forbidden tree is no more here in this earth. Already taken up to heaven. But that commandment, which is the great I am, forbid our first parent. Our first parent is Adam and Eve. Forbid or not allow Adam and Eve to take the forbidden fruits, which is the fruits of good and evil, the knowledge of good and evil, not allow them to take it and eat it. And if they transgress, mean break the law and take the fruits and eat it, they will surely die. So during that time, there's no death, there's no death, there's no such thing of death. Only after Adam and Eve have took the fruits of knowledge of good and evil and they eat it, and everything changed, As my understanding, Selin sayang, before Adam and Eve eat the fruits, the forbidden fruits, their body is a body of immortal body. Okay, what I mean by that, they doesn't have kidney, they doesn't have they do not sweat, and they do not have to go to the toilet and pass motion and being, because there's no dirty thing in their body. So this organ, this part of the organ in the body, like kidney, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder means where the urine being kept inside our body, downstairs. So all these organ or system only being added by the great I am after they sin. Because after they sin means transgress the law. The transgression action is when they eat the fruits of knowledge of good and evil, where it is they shouldn't eat it, and they transgress the law of the great I am, and their body start to produce poisonous substances. That's why whatever that we eat go to downstairs and become dirty thing that we call refuse or feces, urine. All this is a product of dirty thing in our body, also termed toxin, you see. But the body of Adam and Eve, before their sin, their body doesn't produce all this toxin. So the body, the physical function, the system of Adam and Eve before their sin, they doesn't have like kidney. They don't need to go to the toilet. Whatever they eat, absorb everything, and you see, this is a true science. But the worldly science, they don't understand this. But I understand this because Yeshua have revealed to me. So you know what, Celine? So what? Another point that I want to bring your mind is that when Yeshua come again, the body that we have now, which is mortal, which is we have kidney that can die. That's why everyone can die, because we are from the descendant of Adam and Eve. Everyone, whatever nations, because everyone come from Adam and Eve. We are the descendant. Alright. So Celine sayang, but during Yeshua come, those who believe in Yeshua and his father Ehyeh will be given a new body. Not another body, but the same body that we have now, like me, this physical body, but only will be transformed, will be changed to become just like Adam and Eve before they sin. And we don't need kidney, we don't need the large bowel, because the large bowel is a system. The bowel, intestine down there is to keep the dirty thing, the feces, the refuse. And we don't need urinary bladder to keep urine, because we don't have urine anymore, we don't have feces anymore. Whatever that we eat is absorbed totally, 100%. And the skin also, why we sweat is a part of system to push out the toxin, the dirty thing in our body. So all this system exists, kidney, everything is because of Yeshua have died on the cross to give us the second chance, because our parents, Adam and Eve, had transgressed the law, and all his descendant from their first child, Cain, Abel, and all until now, we are the descendant of Adam. We are the children of Adam and Eve. So we are participate in their sin, because this is the bloodline, the genealogy, the biological explanation on why we have like this, But soon, when Yeshua come, only those who believe in Yeshua and practice righteousness, obeying law, there's this group of people, which is now very surely you and me and our children. We're going to educate them very well, and the 144,000, because there's only 144,000 that will really accept the truth and follow, that will have given a transformation body that are holy and no more dirty thing in our system. Okay, Celine sayang, I hope you can catch what I try to say here. Sorry, sometimes mom talk maybe it's too deep, I don't know, but I believe you can understand, because I can see that Yeshua is in you and the great I am is in you, and the Holy Spirit is really live in you, Celine sayang, and so your mind is very active, you can understand the truth. Okay, Celine sayang, some sharing, okay? I love you.